Oyo nake thoro ngiro ni ari osa. Salasya mbunge. Watu bali bolingo bala mwe. Kasa. Kaju. Kaju. Hata si vipi pak. Sisi kwani wanakataa hizo ofisi? Wale wanakataa ni kama ndege.
Ado mumbi asistire.
Ndemona mabaki muno.
Adorage makegeragia ri acio ni mageririe muno.
Wala you got the president. You got a power, Dia power. Apa ni baru the president oh no, do. Demorani mure atonye. Because it trends. But then after that mure Imekuja kwa Kikuyu Mlima Kenya Huyo ndio Kiengei Wakanisa Ako wapi kama Nafurahiki sana Anavuki
Yoginya nega dhuki Salasya nä arä mä nyonyo
acio no ahåcirwo kå nä gathembe oiki aca nicema gathembe waikuga tanisikiliza It's very loud. Ojo ndagire wabici.
Ona mugimitwara ngirogo ni.
Ona ku.
Kata kombo munyire.
Obici ya mbunge igogikomba
Bora tuko Nairobi.
Irio muno. You see now the problem is okay, I don't know how to put it.
I
don't know how to put it, but there's a school of thought in there. Because mumi asimage ya UK na majority ishungwa. Acha nisema mishungwa Nah, buddy. Hata mumiaza.
Yani telele aliri. Mr. Speaker, I vote yes. Can I vote no?
Without adding anything. Mr. Speaker, I vote yes. What's your point? What is your point of order? Honorable Salasya, what is your point of order? Can you no, without making those noises? Honorable Salasya, this is a house of legislation. You don't make those kind of noises here. What are you trying to say?
Adjust your tie first.
Adjust your tie and look neat and make your hair. Kana kia kwa ya speaker to nwaro ogoroko kana kumuria kibaruya. Bana vukongo tegwa. Haruna kumias kabisa. Numupunga noka kuiba mlanga majority.
Honorable Salasya.
Sina papa. Sina mkongo papa. Sasa
You are out of order. This is not a village. This is not a village gathering.
Honorable Salasya, this is not a bullfighting escapade.
And use national language.
This is not the headquarters of the Malagoli Cultural Festival. I'm going to lakini urudia tawe. Honorable Salasya, order. Order, Honorable Salasya. You shall address us in parliamentary language, and the languages that are agreeable in the parliamentary house are basically English and Swahili. Ndio Kiswahili Kiswahili No, you will not bad. Mr. Speaker, I think we have mumbo jambos in this house. We need to rectify the standing orders to reflect.
That is the diversity in parliament.
Honorable Salasya, this is not a political house, it is a legislative now. I want to get a correct appointee. I don't know your men are cow. So, if I get Betty. Betty,
Eva kera na 29.
MC wako yo school ya bere. Road show ine.
Salasya. Pena mesa cia kwa